Hello, all you people, and we have some crypto news for you today. Yes, memes have made another millionaire, and this time it's another Solana meme. That's right, it's not Bonk, but it is something else. And this trader has hit a $2 million dollar jackpot after putting only $62 in a Solana meme coin. That's right. $62 to 2 million. I don't know what percentage that is, but that's a pretty good ROI. So the on-chain data shows that he's cashed out about 528,000, while the remaining tokens worth about 1.5 million remain in the trader's wallet. I don't know if there's enough liquidity for him to cash out at this point, but he better cash out quick because it's probably gonna come down if it's only $62 that he put in. So basically, he had a balance of 1.5 Solana hit the jackpot. And 1.5 Solana, by the way, was a lot less when he actually put it in than it is now. So Solana was roughly $40 when he actually had the Solana and we bought the meme coin. So this was actually found out just a couple of days ago. He got a hold around of $2 million after buying a meme coin. So this meme coin is called Silly Dragon, or the symbol is silly. Don't buy it because it's already hyper pumped and it's probably going to dump back down. It's a meme coin showcasing a silly dragon as a mascot. So if you go to look on chain on Twitter, you will see this. Starting with only 1.5 sold, $92. I guess it's like $92 and not $62. Doesn't really matter. It's still great ROI. The trader made $2 million in 22 days for a gain of 21,715x. The trader spotted Silly 5 minutes after it opened, trading and spent one SOL $62 to buy 43.1 million Silly. He then sold 33.3 million Silly for 528K and currently has 9.76 million Silly, $1.5 million left. I am still not sure what this dude is waiting for right now. I guess he's going for greater Silly gains. But if it were me, I would not be going for greater Silly gains. I would just cash out my $2 million in Silly tokens and call it a day because there's a very good chance you might lose all of that $1.5 million Silly tokens. So basically, you gotta get these meme coins right as they launch to get those kind of rewards. But remember, he made it in 22 days. So even if you got it a day after launch, you probably would have made 10,000x returns or something. Now, obviously, there's going to be liquidity issues. But, I mean, this is incredible returns. And I think stories like this is what keeps the meme market going because people are obviously going to be very, very interested in stories like this and gains like this. Because, with the top 10 coins, though, the ones that we're all invested in, Solana, Cardano, some people XRP, BNB, BTC, Ethereum, we're not making those kind of gains. Let's be honest. None of us is thinking 21,000x gains. Maybe some of those 589 XRP maxis who think their coin's destined to be $10,000, but they're crazy, so they don't really count. But these guys definitely, with these meme coins, definitely hit the huge jackpot with only $62 worth of investment. I guess the other like zero point 0.5 SOL, he actually just kept his Solana. But either way, that's another interesting and inspirational story for meme coins. I don't think any of us have made that kind of money yet with meme coins, but still, possibility. Now, adding on to that, I did actually buy more SNEK today. Obviously, I didn't get into SNEK at the base level, but SNEK is kind of a fun coin. I didn't buy too much of it, but as you can see with my Eternal wallet, I am up from 22,000 SNEKs to 37,000 SNEKs. So thank you. Someone donated. I think Kid gave me like $40 worth of a 40 ADA today. And besides buying the SNEK game tokens to play their arcade or whatever, I actually bought 15,000 SNEK. So now I am up to 37,000 SNEKs. What I hope SNEK to do, if SNEK can get to 10 cents, I would be more than overjoyed. I don't think it actually will, but if it does, I will be more than overjoyed. It's not impossible because the supply is 76 billion, so like 7.6 billion SNEK, 7.6 billion market cap for meme coins definitely possible. Remember, Doge almost reached 100 million last time. But I do understand it's on the Cardano ecosystem. It may not have as much liquidity. Remember, Cardano's not integrated into Coinbase like Solana, so that liquidity might be a problem, definitely. But even if it makes it to a penny, I will still be at $371 over my maybe $50 investment. So I'll be pretty cool. I'm just waiting for the bull run and seeing how high this slithery coin can go. Talking about the SNEK game, here it is. Oh, by the way, right now you have to pay tokens to play. It's like an arcade. There's like a prize pool. It's very, very difficult to actually get the prize pool or anything. But if you actually, I have like 11 lives, so I can play this 11 times because I bought a couple of tokens. But I did go on Twitter, and they will actually have a free play option as well. They're one of the few coins that have actually responded to me in terms of like when I make suggestions. So I'm grateful because of that. I wouldn't mind interviewing the SNEK team, honestly. But yes, when I did I suggested on this like SNEK needs a free play option where you aren't playing for prizes. So yes, I'm not really playing for prizes. I'm just playing for fun on my stream. But anyways, SNEK responded, stop telling everyone our plans. So they're going to have it a free play. Now the game itself, I was hoping for something like a little bit more complex, but it is just a snake game. I will have to say like the controls are a little bit lagged when I play. And I've never really been that good at SNEK. So I'm not actually a great like player. Like last time I got to like 21 points, but I think my controls just lagged out on me and I hit the bottom. I should be able to do pretty well on this gameplay thing. I think like I see the high scores like 99. I think you just run into yourself after a while. I hate the ones that appear on the side because I really hate the ones that appear on the side. It's difficult because you're going to run into the edge if you don't control it right. But yeah, it's not that difficult to play, but there is lagged on the controls, especially if you're running like OBS or something like I am right now. I'm just going to go ahead and finish this game on stream and like see how much I can actually get. I think I'm still under 21. I don't actually know what my score is right now. See, like the thing with SNEK is that what you have to do is like you have to watch out so you don't run into yourself. And you have to give yourself enough room. And that's where the game becomes really hard later on. Like a lot of people forget that they have to give themselves room and then they just run into themselves and die. But obviously, like this isn't like a AAA quality game or, it's like it's something that I personally would probably make in an hour or so. Because it's a basic SNEK game. I mean, the graphics are a little bit better than the... Oops, see, I just died. Anyways, I'm not going to submit this score. It's 15. The controls are a bit lagged. They're a little bit... It's for me, but that's just because probably I have OBS running, so I'm not going to be able to do as well. I'm not really playing for the prize anyways, just showing you the SNEK game. But I did buy more SNEK. Did play one of the games on stream today. I think like I might actually play some more crypto games like on stream. As goes on because people are actually interested in that. But anyways, that's the SNEK thing. There was a huge options expiry today, $10.1 billion. The bears got slaughtered again. The dump to 42,000 and below 42K this morning was because of that expiry, by the way. The bears needed it below $42,000 so they wouldn't lose too much. Like if it was under 42K, they would only lose something like 9 million. Or like I think like I think it was like 70 million. But if it was above 42,000, it'd be several hundred million. So they needed it below 42,000 at the closing, and the options did close at about 11:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're wondering why it like suddenly went down a couple of hours ago this morning, that's probably why. So the huge options expired today. It should actually go back up after this. And I think like my Bitcoin prediction is that it will probably start going up on the 2nd or the 3rd after the new year. And then like dump a little bit after the ETF announcement that we actually get an ETF. Because the thing is there is going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news thing. I don't think it'll be very big, like I've said before, because BlackRock and etc. are going to have to start buying Bitcoins, and not just going to be BlackRock. It's going to be ARK and all those others. And the SEC is heavily signaling that they are going to actually approve the ETF. So that's kind of like what I think Bitcoin's going to move. I think like we're going to stay stable this weekend because it's going to be a very low volume weekend being New Year's. People might be too drunk on Tuesday. on like the second or something. So maybe it'll be like the second or the third before things go up. Slight dip after the ETF, and then we're gonna go back up by the end of January. Yes, I do think we're gonna reach an all-time high this year, and yes, another bullish signal is that billions of dollars have actually left the exchanges. That means people are doing more self-custody, which is good news, or people are just removing off the exchanges because they're not planning to sell anytime soon for long-term investing, which is good news as well. So I think the lack of supply on exchanges plus the increase in demand, I do think will result in much, much higher prices in the future. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.